Thanks for tuning in for an Essential RC flight test, and today we're looking at the new XK J11 fighter from our friends at Banggood.com. So never owned anything like a J11 before, so this could be interesting. What does it say on the front? 360-degree flip aerobatic feature, has a gyro. It's 2.4 gigahertz, so it's not going to get any interference from anything else. Made of EPP, so very resistant to any impact. Size wise, it's a small little thing, so it's 420 millimeters long, 125 millimeters high. Wingspan is 335 millimeters. Has a 1S 3.7 volt 250 milliamp hour battery that's included, plus a charge lead, I suspect, and the transmitter. So let's not hang around, let's take the components out of the box, let's see what we get. Okay, so here's everything in the box. Nicely packaged, it's not going to get damaged in transit. Looking at the plane first, the most exciting bit. So it's a twin pusher. Interesting. So battery in the bottom, in the little compartment here. So that needs charging with the provided charge lead that's over here. And there's an on switch underneath. And you can see the single servo for elevator control. The yaw control, steering, if you want to call it that, is provided by the differential thrust on the propellers, I suspect. We've got optional wheels that we can use and some spare props. Don't think we'll bother with the wheels, just a little hand launch. And we've also got the transmitter in here as well, which is the normal XK unit. Had a lot of success with XK models in the past, so just got to put 4 AA's in there, no problem. And read the instructions for maybe the different modes it supports, but that's it. Let's going to charge up the battery now, and next time we see this, it'll be down the flying field and we'll see how it flies.
Right, what have we here, Dom?
SU27. Now, the one disappointing thing with this is it does not look anything like the picture on the box.
Oh.
The picture on the box is of this nice, quite scale SU27 J10 type thing. It even says A100 on it. I think it's a bit confused as to what it is, but they do make good models, these guys, from the ones I've reviewed in the past. So obviously it's got elevator at the back. It doesn't have aileron or rudder. It's relying on the 2 props for differential thrust. Would you call that, Al?
Yeah, I think that's
to yaw it. It has got a gyro though. That's quite apparent from the movement of the elevators, trying to keep it level. So let's give it a go. Tom, would you like to give us a nice level chuck?
I've got to say, it's a windy day today, isn't it? So
It's a little bit windy for it, but
be interesting to see how it copes.
you can be surprised by these things sometimes.
It's all in the throw, isn't it, Tom?
It's all about the throws.
Let me know it's on £4.
You'll feel it.
Oh, is that now? Yeah.
Oh, that went away all right, actually. I'm quite surprised. That gyro looked like it was kicking in quite well. You were overcompensating a bit.
I just wish it would turn.
It looks like it is turning, isn't it?
Very slowly.
Yeah, that's all right. It's a windy day. It's not the best, is it? That's coming right back, look. I think it's a pilot. It's those New Year's Eve drinks, Dom. Made you a bit shaky.
Yeah, very shallow turn. Oh, because I mean it is using yaw, isn't it? So.
Yeah, but that makes it quite stable though. No shocking movements you gotta cater for.
The odd gust doesn't help. Over the pits, you don't mind, do you?
No, we're not filming that bit. pointing at the sky. Are you going to get me to catch it? Look at that, how slow that goes. Oh, could have caught it yourself.
It's like a real SU27.
Almost hovered. It's got some pace, isn't it? Let's go with the wind. Shh. It's the 30-mile-an-hour wind. I'll tell you what though, for someone wanting to try and get into the hobby, or for a kid,
It's a fun thing, isn't it?
it's perfect down the park.
If you had this under the tree at Christmas or in your stocking, you would have been disappointed.
And battery wise, Dom,
Well, it's just a little one cell 200 milliamp hour pack, I think, that it comes with, and the charger.
so they're swappable, they're not on, it's not an onboard one that you have to charge off the transmitter.
No, correct, yeah.
And frequency wise,
Well, it comes with a transmitter, it's 2.4.
right, and I know you don't like giving costs because they always change, but roughly speaking,
I can't
oh,
remember.
perfect landing, well done. Look at that, forgot to put the wheels down though.
It's not a lot of money, just look at the product link will be in the video description. Now,
So what settings you got on that transmitter?
it does a little trick. If I press the button apparently and do a direction, then it will do a flip.
Yeah, right.
Just like the real SU27.
I don't believe it.
Are we
Not when
sure
it
everything's
turns.
fine?
I think so. We'll know when it flies.
And once you've pressed the button, does it beep at you so you know you've pressed it?
No, the light flashes, but I won't be
Light.
looking at the light.
I was going to say, yeah.
So,
Watch the plane. That was a much smoother getaway there. Yeah. So which direction are you going to...
it seems to like going left better than it does.
That's right. So left circuits are good.
Here it comes, look.
But that's possibly... Do you think that's got anything to do with the way the motors spin?
Here we go.
Oh, look at that! That's brilliant.
Bit of focusing.
It was cleaner than one of Dom's normal
Normal
stunts.
aerobatic manoeuvres.
Hello. Have to edit that bit out before Julian sees it. Oh, it's like tried to hover. Oh, that was it. Perfect. Sort of half loop, half roll.
Yeah. It's got all the tricks.
You put the gear down now. So. No? Cool. So how long do you think the battery would go for then? 5-10 minutes?
About nearly 4 or 5, haven't we?
I'd say.
Oh, hello. Hey! Look at that.
Brilliant. What a lot of fun. I'm quite amazed by that. So yeah, look it up. The link is in the video description on banggood.com. What I do advise is that you get a couple more batteries. No doubt they sell them. If they do, I'll put the link to those in the video description as well. So for the money, quite a lot of fun. The price of these things does change, so I won't give you the price I saw it at. Just look it up on banggood.com from that link in the video description. So thanks for watching this essential RC flight test. You might want to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Use the button in the bottom left, or you might want to join our Facebook group for news, reviews and the occasional free giveaway. But thanks for watching this one. See you next time. Thanks, Al. Thanks, Tom. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Is that now? Yeah.
Oh, I'll tell you what though, for someone wanting to oh, look at that!